Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how on Bybit you can complete your identity verification. So let's say you just made an account on Bybit. The first thing that you need to do is verify your identity. So you can either see this pop-up right here, which asks you to verify now. So what you'll do is simply you'll just press on verify now. From here, you can see that these are the following steps that you have to follow in order to verify your account. So these are your standard rules, which you have to give your proof of identity in, and then they will do an identity assessment since they need to match your identity and they need to verify your identity that you can use Bybit. This is their main purpose, since in some countries, Bybit has restricted access, so that's why they do identity verification. So they know that this user is capable of using Bybit. So here you'll attach a proof of identity. You will submit a copy of your identity verification document. This can be a passport, this can be an identity card, or anything that proves your identity. And alongside that, you'll need to show them your selfie so they know that the person that's sending this information is the same. After that, they will do identity assessment, and this step will begin immediately after your proof of identity has been successfully verified. So if it's verified, they'll do identity assessment, and if the assessment goes right, then you'll be good to go. And advanced is that they could also ask you for proof of address. So after proof of identity, you'll just need to click on verify, and from there you'll be able to attach your proof of identity. And after that, they'll take you to the advanced step, which is proof of address. There you can prove that you're living in the same area where you can use Bybit as well.